Get strong.
Are you looking for a transfer that carries deep meaning, love, and history? This design is for anyone who cherishes the bond with their mother.
Introducing our Dear Mama tribute design. It's a powerful, poignant piece that perfectly captures respect and unconditional love.
This highly detailed transfer is essential for creating powerful tribute apparel, memorial shirts, or custom pieces for Mother's Day. It's guaranteed to resonate with customers.
This Eco Solvent transfer handles intricate detail beautifully, ensuring a durable, photo quality finish. Just press it with your heat press or iron. Don't miss out on this timeless tribute piece. Get this high quality transfer instantly at www.stylejunction.com and add power to your product line.
Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Get strong. Get strong.